Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show how to make this awesome logo in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First, we have to starting with the polygon. So I'm creating a polygon uh, with 6 corner. Okay. Now apply some transparency for this object. Duplicate it. After duplicating, hold down Shift key and Control key and reduce the size. Enable the snapping option and hold down Control and Shift and reduce the size of this small polygon. Now again duplicate this one and change the color and reduce the size after holding the Shift key and Control key. So guys, we have created our object like this. Now select all these. Now select this one and find the center point of this object. Okay, now select these two and group it. After the grouping, we have to change the center point of this object. Now duplicate this object, press Ctrl plus D. I am not duplicated, so again I am duplicating and applying the rotation. Duplicate it and rotate it. After duplicate, apply the rotation, duplicate and repeat the same command. So guys, now we have to create a rectangle and go to path and click on object to path. Now we have to modify our object using node edit tool. So select only these node and drag to reverb. Now select these two and snap these node like this. Now duplicate this one. By mistake I have duplicated the polygon. I think this is the on top, so we have to keep it to back. Now select this one only and duplicate it. After duplicate, change the node point like this. Okay, change the color. Now select only these two and group it. Press Ctrl plus G to duplicate it, to group it and change the center point of this object. Now again we have to duplicate it and apply the rotation. Duplicate it and apply the rotation. Again duplicate it and apply rotation. Duplicate it. Now I think we should delete the unwanted object. So delete, select this one and delete it. Delete it. Again delete it. Delete this one also. Now select this one and duplicate it. After duplicating, change the rotate it. Again duplicate this one and apply the rotation. Now select this object and we can delete this one. Now select all these and go to object and ungroup it. I think here is one more object, so now selecting them again and go to object and ungroup it. Now select this one and click on raise to top. Now again duplicate this one and select with this object, go to path and click on difference. Now again select this one and select with this object, go to path and click on difference. So I think we don't need this one, and remove this one also. Now again duplicate this one and select with this object and click on difference. Now again select this one and select with this and go to path and click on difference. Now I think we should delete some unwanted object. Duplicate this one and select with this. I think we should not use this object. Let's see. Edit by node edit tool and drag this one also. Now select this one and also select. Now select this one and delete it. Now add some node. Modify by node edit tool. Now add one more node. One more node between this node and drag newly added node like this. Delete this one. We should apply the corner round effect. So guys, we have created our object like this. Now select this one and select only this node and delete it. Okay, now select this one. We can see we have object like this. So now select this one, this object, and delete it. Select this node and delete it. Also we have to modify this object. Convert it to object. Convert object to path. I think this is okay. Now select this object and remove the transparency. Now select this one and apply the gradient. Change the color of gradient. Now select this one and change the gradient. Edit the gradient. Edit the gradient like this. Now select this one and change the color. Select all these and change the center point of object. I think we should delete this object. Select all these and group it. After grouping, change the center point of these object. Now go to rotation option and rotate it on 60 degree. Duplicate it and apply the rotation. Duplicate it again. You can press Ctrl+D to duplicate it and apply the rotation. Repeat the same command again. Duplicate it and apply the rotation. So guys, we have created our logo and I know you can make better than me. Please try with your own color combination. So guys, thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Thank you.